Following the assault and capture of a secret GLA lab, no doubt remains that the terrorists are engaged in toxin production. The United States believes that a general, codenamed Dr. Thrax, is running the lethal program. Little is known about this elusive extremist, who has also been charged with war crimes by the World Court. We understand there is intense pressure on American intelligence agencies to trace the funding for Dr. Thrax's research. Only by choking off the cash supplied by covert oil supplies can the US hope to cripple the threat of a terrorist army hoarding weapons of mass destruction.
Bravo team, your primary objective is the small airstrip to your south. Secure it for incoming reinforcements. Out.
Roger, SATCOM. Approaching target area.
Airstrip secured, General. Reinforcements en route.
Those are away. Returning to barn. Out.
The intel we retrieved from the secret lab proves the GLA have seized these Iranian oil fields to help fund the nefarious Dr. Thrax. They may destroy them rather than let you recapture them. Beware, General. The GLA have started using booby traps.
Yeah, here I am.
Use dozers to remove booby traps safely.
I'll dig them out. New construction. Good area. Laying the foundation. Why do I always get the dirty jobs?
Humvee here. Need a point man? Ready for action. Rally point confirmed.
Want to make some improvements? Paladin taking the field.
On your command. Armor detail reporting.
Protecting our people.
Got room for 5. Oh, be careful now.
Defensive laser systems. I know my way around. Sniper here.
Let's build. I'll dig them out.
Always prepared. Let's take the building. Special forces here.
Laying the foundation. Bring on the scaffolding.
How about a lift? Come on in.
Hidden identity.
Building
They won't
capture
notice
complete.
me.
The building is captured, sir.
Be careful,
Always
General.
prepared.
The
Any more
enemy may have
projects?
set up traps in the oil field.
All finished.
I'll scout ahead.
Unit
Hidden
lost.
identity.
What's the story? You want me to clear that
I see
mine?
everything. Hope no one's looking.
Have a job for me? Going up.
Special forces here.
All finished.
Taking charge.
Want to make some improvements?
Sniper here. I'll scout ahead.
Good news, General. There are several covert operatives in this area. Find them to solicit their help.
What's the story? Why do I always get the dirty jobs?
Ready for action. Taking new position.
Yeah? I'll dig them out.
We have their building.
I know my way around.
Army's elite. Special forces here.
New construction. On the job. Want to make some improvements?
I see everything. Getting a better view.
New construction.
General, there's a repair pad in the area. Capture it to help heal our vehicles.
Make my own road.
Ready for action. Army's
Any more
elite.
projects?
We'll take it from here. Always prepared.
Laying the foundation. Let's clear those mines.
Ready for action.
The GLA has started using booby traps on structures in this area. They will explode if you try to capture or garrison them. Use dozers to remove them.
Building capture complete.
General, the local town is being poisoned by GLA propaganda and are
Building
launching
is ours.
attacks against us. Destroy the GLA radio station to quell the uprising.
Hidden identity.
The building is ours.
I know my way around.
Preserving freedom.
Army's elite. Meet your new owner. Humphrey here. Let's go! How about a lift? Break it loose!
Want to make some improvements?
General, your
I
ultimate
see
objective is to destroy the GLA base in this area. Your main source of funding
Always
will be the oil
prepared.
derricks. You must secure and protect them.
Preserving freedom.
Army's elite. Need a point man? Take a new position.
Yeah. I'll take care of it. Preserving
I see
freedom
everything.
for perfection.
Always prepared.
Let's build. Preserving
Reinforcements have arrived.
Special forces here.
Unit
Let's take
lost.
the building.
I'll be your spotter.
Ready for action.
freedom. Preserving.
What do you got?
I don't care.
Special forces here. We'll take it from here.
Tactical lasers online.
Always prepared.
I know my way around.
Need a point man? Let's take the building.
I see everything.
Tactical lasers online.
Is there a threat?
Scanning for enemy aircraft.
Got room for 5.
Unit lost.
Oh yeah! The building is ours.
I'll be your spotter. I know my way around.
Our building is being captured. Our
Sniper
building
here.
is being captured. Our building is being captured. Congratulations, General. You have been promoted.
New construction?
Our base is under attack.
That's not fair.
Have a job for me? I'll dig them out.
Got room for 5. Humphrey here.
Sir, please build more defenses to protect against the car bombers.
Got room for 5. How about a lift? Got room for 5. How about a lift?
Preserving freedom.
Got room for 5. How about a lift?
Sir, we need more defenses
Ready
out
for
here.
action.
Car bombs are
Unit
tearing us
lost.
up. Bomb trucks back a punch.
Humphrey here. Got room for 5. Humphrey here. Looks like a good run. Got room for 5. How about a lift? Got room for 5.
Unit lost.
Come on.
Congratulations,
Rip it
General. You
up.
have been promoted. destroy the GLA radio station in the city to stop the car bomb attacks.
Keep the change. You want some of this? Get up,
Reinforcements
fire.
have arrived.
Looks like a good run. How about a show? Come on in. Break it loose. I'll be here.
Unit lost.
How about a lift?
Sir, the enemy has begun attacking the oil fields.
Here I am. Lead on.
Preserving freedom.
Need a point, man? Let's take the building.
I'll be your spotter. Sniper here. Hidden identity.
Ready for
Unit
action.
lost.
Come on in.
Preserving freedom.
Whoa!
Tactical
Got room
leaders
for
on.
fire.
Unit lost.
Come on in. Let's go. I'll be here. It should be fun.
Destroy the GLA radio station in the city to stop the bomb drop attacks.
Sir, these terrorists
Unit
are chewing
lost.
us up. Send support.
Find me vehicle. I have experience.
Keep it clean.
Unit lost.
Almost the price of this source.
General,
Always
your ultimate
prepare.
objective is to destroy the GLA base in this area. Your main
Wanna make
source
some
of funding will be
improvements?
the oil derricks.
Laying the
You must
foundation.
secure and protect them.
Going up.
Look it up.
Want to make some improvements? Let's clear those mines.
Congratulations,
We have
General.
their
You have
building.
been promoted.
Buck it up. Army's elite. Rally point confirmed. Buck it up.
Orders, General?
Unit lost.
They're attacking our base.
Protecting our people. Confirmed. All finished.
Ha! GLA tanks are no match for us.
Is there a threat?
Unit lost.
Fucking really?
Doing what's right. Closing the distance.
Unit lost.
Come on, punk.
Protecting our people.
Sir, we're losing units to enemy tanks.
Hey,
Right
check
here.
out our new tow missile.
Is there a threat? It's the right thing to do.
Buck it up.
We fight for peace.
Unit lost.
I have experience. Sure
The
beats
enemy has
walking.
started sending tanks,
Protecting
sir.
our
Send
people.
missile
We're
defenders.
moving.
How about a
General,
lift?
there are several artillery platforms in the area. Capture them for suppression
Doing
fire.
what's right.
Buck it up.
Paladin tank in the field.
Sir,
Unit
we're
lost.
losing units to terrorists. Can we
Protecting
get a
our
sniper
people.
out here?
Buck it up.
I'll fire at anything.
Armor detail reporting. Proceeding to target zone. Buck it up.
Let's do construction. I'll build anywhere. Good area. Keep it clean. Doing what's right. Preserving freedom. Paladin tank in the field.
Search and destroy.
General, our cash reserves are running low. Capture oil derricks for needed cash.
Sniper here.
What's the
They
mission,
won't
sir?
notice me.
What's the mission, sir? Always prepared.
Search and
Is there
destroy.
a threat? What's the mission, sir?
Heavy armor ready for action. Clearing terrain.
What's the mission, sir? Special Forces here. On the go. Army's elite. Heading out. Always prepared. Meet your
Our base is under
attack.
Composite armor installed, sir.
Congratulations, General. You have been promoted.
Army's elite. Always prepared.
General, your ultimate objective
for
is to
action.
destroy the GLA base in this area. Your main source of funding will be the oil derricks. You must secure and protect them.
On your command. Taking new ground. Crusader tank responding.
The building is ours.
Unit lost.
Paladin tank in the field.
Reinforcements have arrived.
Protecting our people, sir. Keep it clean. What's the mission, sir? Doing what's right. Sir? Always prepared. Need a point, man? Sir? What's the mission, always sir? Prepared. Taking charge. Need a point, man? Let's change the decor.
Unit lost.
Paladin tank in the field. Ready for action.
Unit lost.
Preserving freedom. Let's take the building. Always prepared. The building is ours. Taking charge.
Unit
Preserving
lost.
freedom. Doing what's right.
Orders, General?
Destroy the GLA radio station in the city to
Assuming
stop
control.
the suicide attacks.
Preserving freedom. Preserving freedom.
Unit lost.
Keep it clean. Yes, sir. We have their building.
Unit lost.
What do you got? No obstacles.
Quad cannon spotted, sir.
Paladin tank in the field. Taking her in. Special Forces here. Laying the foundation. General, our base is under attack. Is there a threat?
Our building is being captured.
Yes, sir. Keeping it cool. This is too easy. Ready for action. Army's elite. Paladin tank in the field. Taking her in. Doing what's right.
Our building is being captured.
Always prepared.
Unit lost.
Want to make some improvements? We have their building.
Come on in.
Whoa! Protecting our people. Call it
Polished and ready. Serving freedom.
Unit
Protecting our
lost.
people.
Where do you need me? Fire it up.
Polished and ready. Keep it clean. Preserving.
Army's elite. Ready for action. Taking charge.
Is there a threat? We're moving. Polished and ready. Preserving freedom. Keep it clean.
Army's elite. Meet your new owner.
Preserving
What's the
freedom.
mission, sir? Ready for action. What's the mission,
Let's
sir?
change
the decor.
Unit lost. General, your ultimate objective is to destroy the GLA base in this area.
Taking
Your
her
main
in.
source of funding will be the oil derricks. You must secure and protect them.
Army's elite. Always prepared. Meet your new owner.
Preserving freedom. How about a lift?
Unit lost.
Looks like a good run. Keep it clean. Got room for 5. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh, be careful now. Is there a threat? Preserving freedom. The building is captured, sir. Protecting our people.
Find me a vehicle. Now we're talking.
Doing what's right. Train for perfection.
Unit lost.
This is too easy.
Let's get the action.
Special forces here.
Humvee here. Oh! Oh, be careful now. Is there a threat?
The building is
Confirmed.
captured, sir.
Well
Come on
done,
in.
General. The GLA propaganda machine has been destroyed.
Looks like a good run. Paladin
Preserving
tank in the
freedom.
field.
Reinforcements have arrived. Unit lost.
Humvee here. How about a lift?
I have experience.
Humvee here. Come on in.
Unit lost.
Pull your infantry back!
Protecting our people. Paladin tank in the field. Humvee here. How about a lift? Break it loose! Preserving freedom.
Always prepared. Let's take the building. Army's elite. Taking charge.
Tactical lasers online.
Keep it clean. Taking her in.
Tactical lasers online.
Confirmed. Is there a threat? Doing what's right. Closing the distance.
We're losing units
Unit
to
lost.
quarter cannons, sir! Send armor!
Protecting our people.
Building capture complete.
Right here. Where are we going?
Unit
Paladin
lost.
tank in the field. We're moving. Protecting our people. You can depend on us. Closing the
More
distance.
contact. Range 300.
Polished and ready.
Line 'em up.
Polished and ready. It will be an honor. Keep it clean. It will be an honor.
We need more
Unit
support.
lost.
They're chewing us up.
Protecting our people.
All units, keep up the fire.
Sir, toxin tractors are eating us up. Send help.
Warning out
Polished
there.
and ready. Is there a threat? It will be an
Concentrate your
honor.
fire, man.
We fight for people. Is there a threat?
Too well dug in.
Protecting our
We need
people.
reinforcements.
Warning, Scud Storm launched. Unit lost.
We gotta clear the area. Destroy everything.
Doing what's right. Taking her in. Polished and ready.
Low power.
Anything to
Unit
try?
lost. General, your ultimate objective is to destroy the GLA base in this area. Your main source
Lay
of
it
funding will be
attacking
the
our
oil
base.
derricks. You must secure and protect them.
Ooh, can't do that. What do you got? Protecting our people. Paladin tank in the field. Polished and ready.
Our base is being attacked.
Doing what's right.
Unit lost.
That one's done. Keep it clean. Confirmed. Polished and ready. Keeping it cool. This is too easy.
Unit lost. General, Colonel
Locked
Burton
in.
is down.
Yeah, that's fine. That's what
Good area. Want to make some improvements? On the job. Keep it clean. Yes, sir. Confirmed.
Need a point, man? Enemy identified. He's on the target list.
Destroy everything not American. Leave nothing
Is there a
behind.
threat? Polished and ready.
Unit
Doing what's
lost.
right
everywhere.
is the right thing to do. Doing what's right. Enemies of the free world. Polished and ready. Is there a threat? Polished and ready. Doing what's right. Enemies of the free world. Polished
Unit
and ready.
lost.
Keep it clean. Doing what's right. Paladin tank in the field. It's the right thing to do. Polished and ready. Is there a threat? Protecting our people.
Unit lost.
Is there a threat? Doing what's right. Taking her in. Is there a threat? Polished and ready. Paladin tank in the field. Doing what's right. Keep it clean. Yes, sir.
Unit lost.
Is there a threat? Yes, sir. Protecting our people. Preserving freedom.
shoot him?
Preserving freedom. Is there a threat? Polished and ready. Keep it clean. Freedom. Preserving We're moving. Freedom. Yes, sir. Doing what's right. Have a job for me. Going up. Preserving freedom. Paladin tank in the field. Taking her in. Confirmed. Yes, sir. Is there a threat? Protecting our people. Freedom. Preserving freedom. Closing the distance. That one's done. Paladin tank in the field.
I think I hate this mission way.
Doing what's right. We're moving.
Unit lost.
Aircraft targeting ready.
Protecting our people. Doing what's right.
Warning, Scud Storm launched.
Taking her in. Closing the distance. We're moving. Taking her in.
Unit lost.
So good. They drove right into it.
General, your ultimate objective is to destroy the GLA base in this area. Your main source of funding will be the oil derricks. You must secure and protect them.
Paladin tank in the field. Enemies of the free world. Preserving freedom. Preserving freedom. Is there a threat?
Unit lost. Reinforcements have arrived.
Preserving freedom. Yes, Preserving freedom. Closing the distance. Preserving freedom. Keep it clean. Paladin tank in the field. Is there a threat? We're moving. Confirmed. Yes, sir. Polished and ready. Preserving freedom.
Unit lost.
You can depend on it. Enemies of the free world. Keep it clean. Paladin tank in the field. You can depend on freedom. We fight for peace. It will be an honor. It's the right thing to do. We fight for
Unit
peace.
lost.
It will be an honor. Enemies of the free world. Enemies of the free world. Confirmed.
Unit lost.
Moving. Polished and ready. You can depend on it. Enemies of the free world.
Unit
We
lost.
fight for peace. You can depend on it. It will be an honor. Enemies of the free world.
Unit lost.
It will be an honor. It's the right thing to do. Closing the distance. Is there a threat? Enemies of the free world. Paladin tank in the field. Protecting our people. Is there a threat? Confirmed. We're moving. Enemies of the free world. It's the right thing to do. Enemies of the free world. We fight for peace. It will be an honor. Enemies of the free world.
Unit lost.
Closing the distance. We fight for peace. You can depend on it. Confirmed. We fight for peace. It will be an honor.